Hello, this is Elyssa Sumendap, and for my math project I will be explaining the operations of rational algebraic expressions. First, we'll start with addition. For addition, you will need same denominators to be able to add the two algebraic expressions. So in this case, we will have to find the LCD. For 10y and 5y, the LCD should be 10y. So since the first expression already uses 10y, you don't have to change it and just keep it as it is. For the second algebraic expression, divide 10y by 5y. That makes it 2. Then you will multiply the numerator by 2. So 2 times x makes it 2x, and 2 times 1 makes it positive 2 over 10y. Then you can start adding like terms. So 4x plus 2x equals 6x, and 3 plus 2 equals positive 5 over 10y. That will be your final answer. For the second example, both denominators are already the same. So you can already start adding as you usually would. So 5a plus 3a equals 8a over bd. For subtraction, you will also have to find the same denominator. So here you have 3g and 4g. Since they are not the same, you will have to find their LCD, which is 12. So divide 12 by 3 and you will get 4. So you will multiply the numerator by 4. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So you also multiply that by 3. Then you can start to change it. 4 times p equals 4p. And 4 times 4 equals 16. Positive 16 over 12g. Next expression, 3 times 2p equals 6p. And 3 times 5, negative 5 equals negative 15 over 12g. So now that you have both converted it with the same denominator, you can start subtracting like terms. So 4p minus 6p equals negative 2p. And positive 16 minus negative 15 equals positive 31 over 12g. That will be your answer. For the next problem, both denominators are already the same. So you can start subtracting as you usually would. So 10m minus 8m equals 2m. And negative 2 minus positive 4 equals negative 6 over 7kq. That will be your answer. For multiplication, it will get a little bit more complicated. You will have to factor all the terms. So for x squared minus 9, you can factor it as a sum and difference of two binomials. And you can also factor x squared plus 2x minus 3 as x minus 1 and x plus 3. 2x minus 6 by 2 And you can also factor 3x minus 3 by 3. And once you have factored all terms, you can start cancelling like terms. As so. And once you're done, you can find the remaining terms, and that will be your answer. You will do the same for the next problem. First, start by factoring all terms. In here, you can factor it by 4a, making it 4a times a plus 2. And since 3 is already a prime number, you cannot factor it more. So we'll leave it as it is. And you can factor 15 by 3, making it 3 times 5. And you can factor this term by 7b, making it 7b times a plus 2. Once you're done factoring, you can cancel and find the remaining terms and multiply. So 4a times 5 equals 20a. It will be over 7b. And that will be your answer. Division will be similar to multiplication. When you're doing division, you always change it into multiplication, and you reciprocate the second expression. So you'll keep the first expression as it is, as 7p over p plus 2, multiplied by the reciprocal, making it p over p plus 2. Once you're done with that and don't need any more factoring, you can multiply. So p plus 2 times p plus 2 makes it p plus 2 squared, and the numerator is 7p times p, making it 7p squared. That will be your answer. Here you will also have to change it into multiplication and keep the first term as it is and use the reciprocal of the second term, making it x over 6y. You can then factor if there are any terms that could be factored and multiply. Thank you for watching and listening to this presentation, and I hope you found it informative. Have a good day.